All right. We are pushing 1700. I've not quite been able to push further above with this strategy. I just know it's possible. There's a couple of games where it's just like one or two mistakes and you can be donezo. But at the same time, they make one or two mistakes and they're donezo. So it's pretty intense. Do my first Berber Vill rush before I have to go to bed. Just do it at max speed. I'm gonna do it at max speed. If you put in effort and love to do the Berber Villager rush, I am very happy to cast it for you. Actually, I would love to coach you, Sir Apathy, in a game of um your choosing, whatever strategy you want. If you want to do the Berber Vill rush, that's totally fine by me. Top 200 in the world is drill time now. Mitchery. Moonfaller is a Dutch streamer, is he not? I'm pretty sure Moonfaller is Dutch. Oh my. That was sloppy. Aztecs. Do you want to go militia here? It's a little early, but it's fine. I misclick. We shouldn't rush this too much because we were actually idle there a little bit, and I think that hurt us overall. Hurt I. Hurt Y. Shouldn't rush it. I consume this first rhino completely. I've not found any of my additional herdables, which is unfortunate. Is this him over here? Looks like it is. 1, 2.
Just do it!
Up, drop, and roll. You know, there's a lion over here. It's frick. That's okay though. You can just do that. Oh, frick. Wow, nice. Does he have Loom? No, he does not. Guys. Easy. Easy. He does not want to deal with this nonsense. 2 dead villagers on the wood line. Good game. Oh, he does not want to deal with this. Oh my goodness, that was satisfying. 21 elo puntos. Let's go. We made progress. Let's go. This has 1800 elo. Oh my god, that is so satisfying. That is so satisfying. Holy moly. Just manhandled him. No, but I don't want to play that way. I'm sorry. We're going to be playing that way. Oh my god, just kicked an 1800s Batootie like it was freaking newting. People don't like dealing with lanes. People don't like dealing with messy games. People want to, I'm gonna open with men at arms, and then I'm gonna get some scouts out, and after that, maybe I'll transition into maybe knights, yeah. Oh, and if my opponent goes for camels, I should probably transition into crossbow, because crossbow do pretty good against camels, and then I can keep my knight as a strike force. Oh man, really good. Let me just rub my nipples here a little bit. Oh man, that arm into archer. Ooh. Slow your roll. I'm a meta boy though. Actually, the Jake is in the chat, and one of my favorite AoE 2 songs of all time is Huang, the Huang song. If you guys haven't heard that, definitely check it out. It is well worth your time. If this does end up going to YouTube, I'll post it in the description. And otherwise, I'll just show it on the stream later on. I really need to cast some games because you guys have casted so many good games. General Apathy is like, come on, man, you gotta cast one of my games. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but I really want to play one more. So I'm sorry, apps. I'm losing it? How am I losing it? I'm higher than with so much elo comes great responsibility. You're losing it, Spider-Man. You're losing it. Now, you know what it is? So it's Monday right now. I've already worked 6 days in the last 7 days. I had a 1-day weekend. Worked Saturday, worked Sunday, had Friday off, and then worked Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So as the week progresses, we're going to get weirder and weirder and weirder. I honestly think this strategy is quite difficult to counter. I think one way that you could possibly counter it is by means of picking Berbers yourself, which then you're even with your opponent. You could pick pulls and have the additional fighting power.
Do it!
Just do it!
Just do it!
We're not losing this one, Apathy. Frank's definitely no bonus against us here. So I figure out a nice way, once you find your 2 boars, to actually just come forward with your Vills and lame their boar. You don't even need to take it yourself. Just make sure that they don't have it. And that seems to be a huge advantage, if not. Okay, found both the boars here. So let's just see. Okay, let's go this way. See if we can spot those last thingies, last sheepers. That's a relic there, so I don't have to be worried that he's here. He's not there. Did lose a little bit of HP on the rhino. That's a little sloppy because I would like to bring stuff forward. Definitely don't want to get lamed myself. I normally pull the second rhino around 9 Vills. I actually have like a build order now at this point, so that's scary. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a rhino. We honestly just have to manage to get this one home. Don't even worry about this one. Let's worry about continuing Vill production. Oh god. Don't lose the scout. It's going to be very useful later on. Okay. Just go as well. That's huge. Oh, and Loom perfect time because we need a house. Which I totally saw, by the way. I totally saw that. I'm hoping. Oh, no. Just create some idle time. Okay, bears in the back here as well. That's fine. I'm actually gonna hide our scout over here. Alright, good luck escaping there. This man is 3 Vills down now. Four Vills down now. Oh, he's just full dead. You're not gonna resist? You're just gonna let me murder you? Okay, well, we'll take the easy elo. Player arena has disconnected. A save game has been created for restoring. Would you like to exit without viewing the map and final game statistics? No, we would like to see. Oh, we made this man pull out his Ethernet cord. Oh man, 17 hundo pulls out his Ethernet cord. Holy mo! He's just like, no. Okay, he's like the rhino. Okay, I'll push in the zebra. This, oh, so gross. It's so gross. It's so gross because I'm not even close to 1700 in actual skill level over here, and we are beating people like it's absolutely a walk in the park. We just beat like a 1780 or something, and like an 1800. 1600 is no match for this terribleness. Look, I'm gonna. Yeah, and to think I could have been casting your garbage game instead. I'm sorry, Apathy. I'm gonna run it one more time. I'm gonna run it one more time. I feel too satisfied. If we get my butt kicked, so be it. But we are going to make it to 1800. Why not? Why? I told you. You guys didn't believe me. I said this morning. I was like, okay, guys, I'm gonna cash your craft
Just
games.
do it!
We're gonna make it to 1800. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna win 5 games in a row. Well, that's 2 right there in a row. Now, given we did start off on a loss, but even still, Mike. Everybody picks Arabia. Everybody hurts. Have I been playing much recently? I've actually decreased the amount of playtime due to the work situation. Work is very demanding at this point, which is kind of a bummer. Wish I could just do this full time, but that's not really a reality at this point. But man, oh my, oh me, 1723. I think my max elo that I've ever hit is 1735. That was Sicilian TC dropping. So if we do end up winning this one and get more than 12 elo points, it will be a new PB, new personal best. Let it be the same guy. Nope. Burgundians can be an issue, especially with the eco upgrades early on. They should be receiving a nerf soon. Not super worried about Cavalier, weirdly enough. Alright. I wish I would have known that about that rhino there. That's fine. Good luck. Have fun. Did I go this way around? I don't know. Okay, I do see the additional rhino now, which means I'll just collect these 2 sheep. Oh, that was unfortunate. I don't think I need to take another one. Yeah, okay. We'll just go this way around. Get all my sheep gathered here. I do not know why that guy is on a sheep. That's fine though. Go over here. Actually, you know what? Give me a house and go over there. Go over like here where you don't bother me a tremendous amount. Okay, that should be next rhino. Where's that guy that's idle? I have no idea. That's not... What happened here? Not this guy. He should be somewhere over here, I think, based on the... Yeah, look at that. So we have the wood line. You go there, you guys go there. Beautiful. No, not quite. Very nice. That's what I call teamwork. Oh yes. Pick up that. Too late. That's a bummer. You must be like, wait, what? Okay, he's gonna try and do both. That's fine. Something here will eventually give. I think it's gonna be lumber camp. Okay, there we go. Block him. Okay, I see villagers running over here. That's very, very favorable. I think we get the scout here. Doink. Let's block over here. Ah, dang it. I kind of messed it up a little bit. It's okay. Oh, shoot. Surprise! Just don't want to deal with those sheepers later on anymore. great. The amount of times I've been housed in this game. Oh my god, that's another one. Is he gonna go for archers here? Okay, he is already going for archers. Here. Oh, there's no great way to deny this archer range. Come on. Going the wrong way around. We have to do something here. The problem is, like, these are so bad. Like, that mountain is so annoying. This is a big problem. Needs fletching. Get that one archer. You must be like, I have archers. This shouldn't be working like this. It's too much to micro. He still has stuff. Like, this might not be over quite yet. Not on this gold. Let's just check that he's not on this gold. And let's see. Let's make sure he's not on this gold. Man, we are hitting all the lines. The score's not going up anymore. That's a good sign. Probably means he's dead. Happy for what? Let's see if he's hiding Vills. Should just about be up here. And double lion, eh? Oh yeah, he is hiding Vills. Okay, that makes me feel pretty good. That makes it so that we basically just win. There's not much else to it, is there? I was gonna say, are you serious? Did we just get another line there? I don't think it's over there. What's over here? Okay. There's a lot of ways to handle this in this situation. I think we're just gonna try and go up as quickly as we can. Lol. Pretty funny. Let's just wall him in. And we're definitely going to enjoy this. There's no rush. There's no pressure. Just me and Mother Nature. Probably going to reach our highest elo ever. It's quite enjoyable. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah, probably should have done that a little bit earlier. Let's go for market here. And a blacksmith. And then drop off. And I think we're gonna get some upgrades here too, because we're probably gonna have to transition into farms. Oh, got housed. Guess I'll get that extra vision. You never know when that's gonna come in handy, right? Boop, 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 boop. And now we actually just need farms. I'm looking on the map if there's any more huntable spots. It's like the cheapskate's way to food. And me giving you garbage. If you play you on Wednesday, I'm going to gift a sub to myself. Ah! You know, that's allowed. You can gift it to whomever you want. And it's actually on Wednesday. Yeah. You got the date right. I think it will be a fun little event. And if it's something that people like seeing or like going to YouTube, then we'll make it a more frequent thing. I'm trying to, play around with different series ideas. I really like the coaching one. I don't know if you guys like it tremendously. It's kind of had a mixed bag response. Like the view time is obviously higher because they're longer sessions. They're like an hour session, but there's not a whole lot of comments in the comment section, so I don't really know whether or not it's good or not. Man, this is wonderful. Like going from such a high pressure game. Like I know you're probably like, oh man, you must be frustrated that he's walled himself in and stuff. No, not at all. Like I am very, very happy that we have won this game, and that we can even win this on my own terms, which is great. I can basically determine when he's going to die, obviously unless he resigns. Best thing would be if he went to Imperial Age and then just resigned. I'd be a little bit salty about that, but honestly, like even that wouldn't really bother me all that much. Let's go get a boop. And actually we overdid it on the food a little bit, that's okay. Boom, boom, boom. 43 villagers, fast imping it for sure. We need more stone, is really what we need. We need 2 stoning camps. Stoning camps? Whoa, man. You go to the stoning camp recently? Yeah, bro. How much food do you have? 0? There was literally like negative food in that turtle. Yeah, man, I went to the stoning camp and we got so much stoned. Whoa, man. That's awesome. Yeah, no worries. I can see clearly now my enemy's gone. Yeah, the stoning camp. That's my youth days catching up with me, man. What you used to do? I don't know. Definitely didn't do any stoning camp things with my stoning camp friends. Let's get wheelbarrow here. Is it worth, like, at what point is it worth me replacing this lumber camp? Is it here? I think this is probably worth. Depends on how long you're on it, I guess. Oops. Did not mean to do that. We're just gonna naturally wait till we have the 1,000 stone, and we are actually going to try and construct a wonder as well on this man's face, because those are things that you do when somebody griefs you. Don't be a griefing. Hold on to that feeling. We're gonna get upgrades as well, just because I'm really gonna enjoy this one. It's a shame I don't have my scooter alive. I don't think we'll really need military, to be honest. That's 680 right there. So let's construct a castle. Let's do it like over here. And we have enough gold, so yeah, you guys as well. We will require / desire more gold when we go up. And then we don't really need food anymore. Make another golden camp? we're just messing it up on purpose at this point. And we also definitely need some fun. I personally like 5 is my favorite number. So I feel like the 105 is just a must. I want him to really feel like a part of it, you know? Imp. Did I click that? No, I did not. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, you start working like over here or something. Additional art suggestions? I also like the smiley face. I probably should not have constructed that with that guy, but it's fine. We gotta make this our best work, as this is going to probably be our highest elo ever. So, like this stuff is just simply put not acceptable. It needs to be A class or better. Maybe something out of stone. The classic. That means this has to go. Sorry, guys. Does that have to go? No, I can just do this. Wow, that thing did not need to go. Okay, well, whatever. It went anyway. Oh yeah, we don't need food anymore. I forgot about that. So we can just put these guys over here. These guys, we need more wood. Yeah, that's pretty good. I guess we can have a couple. I think we'll make the wonder over here. I like the high mom. The high mom looks really good in my opinion. I don't know if it's really recognizable. Okay, like some of this stuff it just doesn't look good, guys. It just gotta go. Maybe not up here. Maybe like this is a classic for me. You have to throw up the 11. And I think we have just about enough for the wounder. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! We were mid artwork. Oh, we were mid having fun. Oh, that's so sad. Oh man. Oh man. I am so in my happy place when this occurs. I'm just sad that I didn't even get to finish my artwork. He's like, he's enjoying this way too much. I'm not gonna give him the satisfaction of winning. Oh man. Oh man. We didn't even get to hit like one hit on the wonder. Oh, Wonder Boy. Oh, 15. New PB. Buy 2 elo. Free elo. Let's go. Wow, beating 1700 with this strategy is absolutely satisfying. Holy moly. We are this is ridiculous. We are 17 and a half with this. All right. Wow. Well, with that, don't let your memes just be dreams. Pre-game special. Highest personal best ever. Wow. Keep walking.